everybody, welcome to my third video on the channel. Today, well, I'm gonna do a couple more missions, but first, like I said, I'm gonna grab this new item, the blowtorch. So let's get to it. First, I'm gonna show you what this blowtorch does. It makes fire. I'm gonna let that burn. But first, I think I'm gonna upgrade my blowtorch. Dun 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 dun. Blowtorch fully upgraded. There. Messages. Need coffee. Yeah, they turned off the gas again. I don't care. Marina too small. Yeah, this one was fun. I like this one. Play mission. Looks like we got a different escape vehicle. The boat this time. I don't remember what to do, so. Security fire alarms, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be going with the fire alarm. Warehouse safe. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just do this first. First, we're gonna grab this car. Use it to push the safe into the ocean, because that's what I'm supposed to do. And it seems very fun. There. I'm gonna break down the door because it's much better than opening it. Valuable. The bathroom. It's fun. Now it's upstairs probably, yes. Kinda glad I didn't destroy the stairs. No, it's not in there. Is it in here? Yes, it is. Now it's in the bushes. Come on out. Come on out. Come on out. Come on out. This is floating for a second. Let's go to the next target. I think I'll just use this car to drive over there. Actually, that can't be used anymore. Also knocked over the power line. No more power for you dudes. Come on, seriously? Oh, there. Well done. No more power. No more power. Yeah. For some reason, this last house, which is the one I'm supposed to destroy, is not actually connected to this place. Just go 2 and the whole thing goes down, dude. And this boat is also connected to it. There, now the boat is not connected. this thing out. I wonder how it's looking inside. Looking pretty bad in here. I take a nap. Went through the wall or ceiling. I don't know what it is in there. How should I get this thing under the water? I don't actually know. Gonna go under? Maybe it just needs a little nudge from this boat. Just gotta turn it around. Just nudge it. Just nudge it. Let's give it a nudge. Ran through it. Yay. Mission almost complete. I want the pop shorts over there. I think I'll have to find the card again. I kind of forget which mission is next. We'll just take a shortcut. Valuable? Is that what this is? Picked up a Newlander MP3 player with $40. Okay. Hey, I'll take it. And sunglasses? Yeah, the sunglasses here. I remember that. I'll take this van. Kinda looks like my van. Except it's been open. Okay, the other one's just been open. Where was it again? Okay, over there. We have to ran through this tunnel. Congratulations. I ran through. Amazing. Might have to move this out of the way though. Just move that. I can't believe I'm this strong in the game. I'm literally that strong, can carry a full-on metal boat. That's insane. I can't carry that though. I'm gonna check and see which room this was in. So, yeah. Are there any valuables in here? Hey Jack, how you doing? Hello. What are you doing next to me? Okay, Jack left. Destroy. Where are the valuables in this place? Okay, that's outside. Never mind. If this place is still being built or something, I don't know. Okay, so it's in this room, alright. Nope. Fell. Now I just gotta do this. Drive this dump truck now. Actually, first, get rid of our current items. Okay, now, yeah? No?
No, because dinner's ready in like 15 minutes.
Jack asked. He asked for an hour.
I give you 15-minute coupons. I didn't say
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
here's the thing. When dinner's ready, you have to turn them on.
Yep. Can you ask Daddy like refund? Give us a.
I will give
Yeah.
you a refund. But
Yes, thanks.
don't forget, also, you get a shower. Oh, you get the shower, but he did.
Sorry guys, that was just my mom complaining because it accidentally took too long. what just happened over there with the box. The box just flew like a bird. There, now time to get back to the escape vehicle. Using the completely destroyed van I have, you can see that the vehicle condition is basically all the way down. I can't believe the engine is still working after what happened in the front of the car. I can't even see a thing with this smoke. Like, insane. How can I can't see. Also, what I'm going over is the garbage. There, mission accomplished. I like this music. You can't see, but I'm dancing right now. Continue. Ooh, I'm on the roof. A new tool has been delivered, and I'm also fixing my roof because there's a hole up here for some reason. Oh, I'm making a bathroom. Making it my bathroom. Let's see. See, I can fit through there somehow. I don't exactly know how. Yeah, but I can fit through there. Look, it's the ghost shed or whatever. You can hear the music. No proof of the fifth cabin could be found. Oh man. New message. Wait, actually first, I'm gonna get my new tool. Ooh, shotgun. Amazing. It needs more upgrades because that's what it needs. I'm gonna upgrade it a bit. Damage must go up. There, everything went up by 1. There, messages. Classic car. Oh yeah, that one. This one is kinda easy. It can be easy, but it can also be really hard at the same time. So I'm just gonna yeah. I'm inside a truck. I'm gonna put this stuff here. Get it in there. How come I can't open this? Okay, fine, I can't. I'm gonna have to get a vehicle in there. Actually, or I could just swim. The epic hack of swimming to the other side so you don't have to get the vehicle to open the door. Amazing. Pretty nice looking car, I think. There's one car over here, and then there's one in the ship over there. And there's a big propane tank that I will explode maybe in another video, okay, dudes? Yeah. Let's get here. I'm gonna get the first car. Thankfully, it's in a truck, so I can just park it right next to the thing. Just right next to my truck, so I can just just get it in there. I don't know, people speed run this game and just take it straight from in here. I don't know how they do it, and I don't think they should do it. It's insane. They kind of just destroyed my truck. Now it's gonna die. Hopefully this video will work and it won't fail at the sign is destroyed now. I kinda wanna burn those, but there's probably fire alarms, I know. Burn the boxes. How is my engine still working? What happened to the front of this car? Of this truck, I should say. Gotta drive it in there. Nope. Nope, gotta get a bit farther, just a bit farther. Yes, now to get the boat. What are you closing on me for? Well, I guess I don't really need it actually. I just wanted to destroy that. It's fine. Why does this look broken? It looks totally broken. I think it is broken. There. Problem solved. It opens now. We grab it. Does this one open? Yes, it does. That's good. This bomb I will destroy later, but there's a fire alarm, so and things might catch fire. So yeah, I'll do it later. I'll just like maybe I could walk up to it and then drive it. And no, that's not the answer. It's a pretty big boat. I don't think it's actually. It might not actually be the biggest. Wait. Could be valuable down there. I'm pretty sure there actually is. So it's gonna go down there. Why is there water here? I thought the ship was sealed. No, I don't want to drive it right now. Okay, I guess it's not here. What was that flag? I really hope there isn't some like scary thing following me around. It is possible, but probably not. There are no tornadoes and stuff like that. Their boat got partially destroyed, but it's good. Good now. This is like a bridge type thing. Something gotta do this, because that's not helping at all. Get out of here. You get out of here as well. We don't need you right now. Although I don't know if we'll need you ever. Okay, I'm pretty sure everything's right in place. Let's start this. Get out of here. It might cause my. Okay, 3. Actually, I'm just gonna quick save. Yes. Yep. Get next car. Run. There, now escape. Let me escape. There, finally. There. I just went off the edge. Drove off the edge. Yeah, I don't need the optional right now, but just continue. Look, my farm is growing. Cool. See what's new, because usually there's some new things. I wonder if my bathroom is complete. I'm gonna check. Car is being built. Or made better at least. Question mark. Cool, my bathroom is probably not complete because it seems pretty plain. Okay, that's it for now. Wait, what's this box for? Just give me a sec. I'm getting a super fancy bed. This is like the one I saw when I was destroying the cabin. Okay, then that's it for now, everybody. I'll make another video later, like tomorrow or 2 days from now. I don't know. I'll make one later, alright? Okay. See ya. Bye.